Hello everyone, welcome back to another Ignition Martial Arts Forms tutorial. My name is Alvin Brown, I'm the Master Instructor, and today we will be breaking down the advanced traditional form, Hwarang. Hwarang is 29 movements. It is named after the Hwarang youth group, which originated during the Xia dynasty. The 29 movements refer to the 29th Infantry Division, where Taekwondo developed into maturity. Now, this is a very dynamic form, very popular for tournaments and competition. Lots of kicks, not quite the most symmetric form. It's very dynamic, which can pose as a challenge for some of the belts, but that's one of the reasons it's a very popular form, because of the difficulty level. So with that being said, let's get started with the breakdown. So from the beginning, we're going to start with our traditional bow. From there, we're going to go into our ready position, which is our left over right knife hand, knees slightly bent. From here, we're going to step into a horse stance to the left, palm strike with a nice kia, followed by 2 center punches. From here, we're going to step to our right, back stance, square block. From here, we're going to grab, go into a uppercut, and then pull, horse stance, side punch. Then we're going to circle down, step our leg back, downward knife hand, then step forward, left front stance, center punch. From here, we're going to turn 90 degrees, front stance, low block, point, step and punch, and then we're going to reach back into a slow cover, watching the hand as it goes over, covering our punching hand. From here, we're going to slide our back leg in, elbow strike. From here, we're going to pick that front leg up, side kick, land down, back stance, knife hand strike, step forward, center punch, step forward, one more center punch with a nice loud kia. From here, we're going to step our back leg around, 270 degrees to the left, back stance, knife hand square block, followed by a slap down, spear hand stepping into a right front stance. From here, we're going to step over, double guarding block, back stance, followed by 2 rear leg roundhouse kicks. Land into a back stance, double guarding block. From there, we're going to step 90 degrees to our left, front stance, low block, and then we're going to shift into a back stance, 3/4 punch. I'm going to do 3 of these 3/4 punches here. There's 1, step forward, punching with the left, and then step forward one more time, punching with the right, shifting into a front stance, low X block, then swinging that back leg around into a cat stance, double elbow strike with a nice loud kia. From here, we're going to step that leg in and then go to our double twisting block. From there, we're going to reach out, step into a back stance, double knife hand block, slide our left to right, same thing to the other side with a nice loud kia to finish the form. From there, we're going to step back into our ready stance, knees slightly bent, attention bow. And that concludes the Hwarang tutorial. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video.